Hello everyone. I just bought a Stanko 6012 milling machine. Actually I rent this garage to hold this milling machine to here for some time, because in my factory I haven't placed. I find some damage, something of that I can fix, and the worst thing is a stuck chip in between ways what make this is worst damage what I found. Also here a little bit, but it's not very important. Here too, this is only one scratch what I found. On this way I turn the table here and look on another side. On this side we can see, I try to film it, a grinding. Here can see still grinding. Here is still some damage by stuck chips into the vase, but it's not very necessary. This machine is heavier than my Stanko 6R12, and this machine have automatics very more, and this machine have one remote control and another remote control, and there is switches and buttons, and here is a plate of manufacturer 6012 model 1, serial number and year 87, made in USSR. And I not yet opened this cover. There should to be two more electrics, engine and switchboard, lot of relays and etc. Later I hope I get the power and try to run this machine. Watch, but this is glass. It should exchange to plastic glass, because glass is danger for eyes. It's automatic tool holder and another good things. So thanks for watching, good luck, have a nice day.